Welcome, students. This is Advocate Satish Mishra, and today I'm going to tell you about drafting legal notices. So let's move ahead with the slides and let's see what is the most important thing while we prepare and draft a legal notice. So, the first thing that we need to see is the transaction. You should be able to know what the transaction is all about. Second most thing is noting down the dates, the name of individuals, place, figures like rupees, monies, and every particular information about the transaction should be mentioned as it is. So it should be correct. And it is the best thing to always take a confirmation of the client on the facts, not the law. Now, coming to the law on the situation, you must know what is the situation of law on it, and you should seek the right prayers or redressal of your grievances uh, from the sendee to whom you are sending this legal notice. So you must comply with all the provisions while you are making a request to comply with the legal notice. Now let's move ahead with the next slide. Let us see what next is there. And remember, we are drafting a legal notice, not the entire case. So, in my view, it should not exceed maximum 2 to 3 pages. Make it brief, make it crisp, make it to the point. That's the entire key. And never elaborate your case in the legal notice. You just need to cite the facts in the most shortest manner. That's it. And last would be stating your prayers, that what is it in the end you want the person to do once who reads your legal notice. So that should be there. And the basics are, you should address it to the correct person. The address should be the right one along with the pin code. And put your signatures on it. It's a must. It's your sign, date, and stamp. And rest you're good to go. You can send your legal notice. Now the next slide. Okay, now how are we going to reply to the legal notice? Once we are able to know that how we should send it, then comes replying. So while replying to a legal notice, you need a different mindset. You need to be very specific, and while you are replying to the legal notice, you must either admit or deny. It shouldn't be in the middle of it. If partial, then say to what degree or extent it is correct or denied. So that's a very important thing you must keep in mind. Next would be relevant. Stay to the point. No need to elaborate. You don't need to show your cards while you're replying to a legal notice. Just make it like a reply to the legal notice. Don't think like it is your case. It's just a legal notice reply. Next, try to match your reply to the same pages of legal notice. Do not exceed. Let's say the person has sent you a two-pager legal notice. Do not send it more than that. 2 pages is enough. Next, if you're unclear on a fact, take feedback again from the client. So if you're replying to the legal notice, you must be on the same page with the client. Always have notes regarding the transactions. Last, also, you don't need to forget about the date, signatures, your stamp on the notice if you're applying that. And you need to preserve the receipt while you're sending a legal notice or replying to the legal notice. You must preserve the receipt because it is going to be used later on in the court cases. So, this is all about drafting legal notices. If you are willing to take up my drafting course, I'm here to help you out. If you're a young lawyer learning to practice in courts or need any assistance regarding the drafting, you can always take my help and avail for the course. My course is there on my website. That's legalseva.net. You can always browse it. My number is there on the website, 9988817966. You can also follow me on social handles like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram by the same handle, Legal Seva. So hope this information is useful for the students, law freshers, and legal personals who are looking to enhance and improve their legal drafting skills. So thanks for watching and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.